Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. We have started one lecture series in the field of digital image processing. So today is lecture number 5 and the lecture is about image negatives or image negation transformation. So these are the contents of the today's lecture. So in which I am going to cover what is meant by image negation. The second point that I am going to cover is image negation transformation function, and at last I will take various examples on image negation.
Hello guys, so today I would like to tell you something about image negation or image negative. So this is the transformation function of the image negation, in which the lower value is 0 and the highest value of L minus 1 in the input, as well as 0 and L minus 1 is in the output S. And this is the transformation function. This cross line is nothing but a transformation function. So we are going to map all the input values from input to output with the help of this function, and the transformation we can represent with the help of S equal to transformation on R. The transformation expression that we use for finding out image negation is S equal to L minus 1 minus R, where the value of L minus 1 is nothing but it's a maximum pixel value. It's a maximum pixel value from input image R. From input image R, and R is nothing but your input image that we want to convert it to negative, and S is nothing but your output image. Means we are going to transform the input image R from input to output with the help of this transformation equation or transformation expression, that is S equal to L minus 1 minus R. Now if you look at the transformation curve, the value L minus 1 from input, the value L minus 1 from input, L minus 1 is mapped to 0. Means maximum pixel value from input is mapped to 0, and the lowest value from input, that is 0, is mapped to L minus 1 in the output. Means the highest value in the input is mapped to lowest value in the output, and lowest value in the input will map to highest value in the output, and the middle value in the input is mapped to exactly middle value in the output. So just take this as an example. So L by 2 is mapped to L by 2. So this is all about image negation. So this type of processing is particularly suited for enhancing white or gray details embedded in dark region of an image. So I just want to take one example of image negation. Now just consider one matrix. So I am having R is equal to, I am going to take one 4 by 4 matrix or image. So this is my 4 by 4 image. I just want to take one example and just take random values in an image. So I am going to take 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 5. Now I just want to convert this image from grayscale image to negative image. So our formula is S is equal to L minus 1 minus R. So basically L minus 1 is nothing but maximum pixel value from input image R. So if you look at this image, then we can see here I am having 8 as a max pixel value from R. So the value of L minus 1 is equal to 8 in above example. I would like to repeat it once again. The value of L minus 1 is nothing but maximum pixel value present in input image R. So in this image 8 is nothing but a maximum pixel value from input image R. So I am taking L minus 1 is equal to 8. So S is equal to 8 minus R, means you have to subtract each and every pixel from input image R from value 8. So my output image S is equal to, it's once again 4 by 4 image. Now you have to subtract all the pixels from input image R from value 8. So 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. It is equal to 5. 8 minus 2, it is equal to 6. 8 minus 5, it is equal to 3. 8 minus 6, it is equal to 2. 8 minus 7, it is equal to 1. 8 minus 8, it is equal to 0. 8 minus 2, it is equal to 6. 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. 8 minus 1, it is equal to 7. 8 minus 2, it is equal to 6. 8 minus 1, it is equal to 7. 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. 8 minus 1, it is equal to 7. 8 minus 2, it is equal to 6. 8 minus 3, it is equal to 5. And 8 minus 5, it is equal to 3. So this is my output image, output negative image for this equivalent image. In this case, we have simply inverted all input pixel values. Means 8 is converted to 0, 3 is converted to 5. Means we have converted, or we have applied inversion method for forming a negative image. Now I would like to take one more example on the same. Now just take one more example. Suppose I am having R is equal to, it's a 3 by 3 image. I am going to take one 3 by 3 image, and the values are 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 9. So this is my random pixel values, that is 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 9. Now I just want to convert this image to negative image. So you have to write a formula, that is S is equal to L minus 1 minus R. So in this image, the L minus 1 is nothing but a maximum pixel value present in input image R. So the value of L minus 1, it is equal to 9, because 9 is a maximum pixel value is in R. So my transformation is S is equal to 9 minus R. So you have to subtract each and every pixel from input image R from value 9. So it is equal to, so my S is equal to 9 minus R. So 9 minus first pixel is 0. So I am getting my output as a 3 by 3 image. So you have to subtract first pixel value from 9. So 9 minus 0, it is 9. 9 minus 2, it is 7. 9 minus 3, it is 6. 9 minus 4, it is 5. 9 minus 6, it is 3. 9 minus 7, it is 2. 9 minus 8, it is 1. 9 minus 1, it is 8. And 9 minus 9, it is equal to 0. Now if you compare both images, that is R and S, then we can realize that the lowest value is converted to highest value. Means we simply inverted pixel values, and the highest value is simply converted to lowest value. So in image negative, we simply reverse the pixel value is in input image R, or we simply invert the pixel value present in input image R. So this is all about image negative or image negation. In next lecture we are going to see, or in next section we are going to see how to get negative image in MATLAB, or implementation of image negative in MATLAB. Thank you so much.